Greetings, my fellow friends. This is the only vegan Domoda African peanut stew recipe out there. This is the most unbelievable recipe. You must see this full episode right now. But first, we're gonna go a little bit to Africa, where the sun is shining, people are dancing and smiling. But also the animals are many times living free in a big nature landscapes, not locked up in some small cages and unbearable situations like many animals. Now enjoy a little bit of this freedom and how the animals feeling good, eating in the grass, laying in the sun, chilling like we all wanna do. Yes, that's what we do in this vegan style, and we're gonna do this recipe in vegan for these beautiful animals today. Yes, Africa. We go in with 2 big aubergines. Yes, we cut them in pieces. We salt them to taste. Fry it until it gets a nice page. Now we go in with 3 Maggi cubes and 1 big red onion, elala. And we go in 3 to 6 garlic cloves. Hey Domoda. We're putting some chili, Carolina Reaper. It's very spicy. And we need some fresh ginger for the immunity. So we go in with 1/2 tablespoon. Fry this until it's nice and done. Then you go in with these sugar snaps beans. Okay, fry this about 15 minutes until it all have a good, nice surface, and then we're gonna do like this. Oh yeah. So what's up now? Now we're gonna go with 2 cans of nice crushed tomatoes. Yeah, we're gonna make this very beautiful thing, and we're gonna make it in a new brand, the vegetarian style. Yes, so you have to spread this to everyone. Here comes the secret, yeah? 2 to 3 big tablespoons of nice, crunchy, organic peanut butter. So just let this all go for like 15 to 20 minutes and it's ready to serve, alright? But before that, go in with a bowl of nice spinach leaves, 2-3 big hands of it, and let it simmer for like 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, it's time and ready to serve and eat this beautiful food. I'm gonna tell you, it tastes so good. Sweet, spicy, like with this crunchy peanut and like a fresh parsley. We have made this curry rice, you know, and with all these flavors mixing together, it's a real symphony of beautiful taste of the Africa. Let's do this. Hello. Fresh parsley, we top it off with, or if you want to say parsley, this is not Sweden, y'all. In Sweden we say parsley, but here we say parsley. And that's it, let's go. Yes, I eating this mix well, this Gambian Domoda. Right now this is on Swedish channel, but soon all recipes will be in English. So don't miss the next episode. tasty Asian zucchini bean recipe. Don't miss it and subscribe right now.